Japan has been helping the Philippines through the Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, a Japanese governmental agency that coordinates official development assistance, or ODA, for the government of Japan. A total of 753 billion pesos worth of 19 infrastructure projects are funded by Japan as a government aid designed to promote the Philippines' welfare. From 1967 to 2008, the Philippines have received official development assistance from the Japanese government, which totals to at least $20.56 billion. Through the ODA, Japan has helped in the construction and improvement of infrastructure in the Philippines. This includes major highways, airport, bridges, railways, and ports. One of the projects funded by Japan is the first ever subway rail system in the Philippines. In March 2018, the Philippine government and JICA signed a 49.08 billion loan agreement for the Phase 1 project via JICA Official Development Assistance Loan. The Metro Manila Subway is an underground rapid transit line currently under construction in Metro Manila. The project, seen to ease traffic gridlock in the capital, will span 36 kilometers and will have 15 stations from Mindanao Avenue in Quezon City to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Pasay City. The project cost 356.96 billion and is the most expensive project undertaken by the Duterte administration. Of the total cost of the project, 73% of it will be funded by JICA through a loan agreement consisting of 3 to 4 tranches, while the remaining 27% will be shouldered by the Philippine government. The aim of the Department of Transportation is to have the first 3 stations of the project running by 2022, and by 2025, all 5 stations should be fully operational. January 21, 2009, the Philippine and Japanese governments signed an 80.47 billion pesos loan agreement for the Manila 109-kilometer north-south commuter railway, or known as NSCR. The total cost of this project is said to reach 628.42 billion pesos. This project composes the 3 Philippine National Railways (PNR) lines, which are the PNR Clark Phase 1, PNR Clark Phase 2, and PNR Calamba. The PNR Clark Phase 1 construction has officially started with the groundbreaking ceremony on February 15, 2019. PNR Clark Phase 1 is a 38-kilometer railway transportation that runs from Manila to Bulacan within the span of 30 to 35 minutes only. There will be 10 stations along this project, which will be located in Totoban, Solis, Caloocan, Valenzuela, and Balagtas. The railway project is expected to cater around 300,000 commuters daily and run at a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour once it will be completely operational. On June 2018, the Asian Development Bank, or the ADB, and JICA were intending to co-finance the 211.4 billion Philippine National Railway North 2 project, which is a 53-kilometer railway with 7 stations passing through Clark International Airport. On May 2019, the ADB has approved financing up to $2.75 billion for the construction of the project. The project is also co-financed with up to $2 billion by JICA. The Malolos-Clark Railway Project will provide safe, reliable, and affordable public transport for about 342,000 passengers expected to travel daily along the Malolos-Clark corridor and up to 696,000 passengers per day to Calamba by 2025. It is estimated to cut the travel time from Metro Manila to Clark International Airport to less than 1 hour by rail and compared with 2 to 3 hours by car bus today. The construction of this railway project will start on January this year, 2020, and is expected to be ready for operations by the second quarter of 2022. The new Bohol Airport Sustainable Environment Protection Project, a project proposed in the Build program, has been made possible under the support of JICA. This project aims to construct a new airport in Paglao Island and Bohol to attain domestic and international standards for safety and efficiency. and also to develop and improve the on-site wastewater disposal. The 2.1 billion pesos ODA loan agreement for this project was signed last October 2018. The new Bohol Airport project was inaugurated last November 2018. Department of Public Works and Highways stated that the following government had signed an official development assistance loan agreement of 18.223 billion pesos with the Japanese government last January 21, 2019. This money will be used to finance the improvement and the completion of the 26.8 billion Pasig River Marikina Channel Improvement Project Phase 4. This project includes channel works for Middle Marikina River from the downstream of Mangahan floodway to Marikina Bridge Santo Niño, also construction of Marikina Control Gate structure and construction of 2 floodgates at the joining section of Cainta and Taytay rivers to Mangahan floodway are included in the project. Aside from the projects mentioned, there are more projects funded by JICA. The other JICA-funded railway system projects are the PNR North-South Railway Project or the NSRP, Southline with a fund of 124.1 billion pesos for the construction and operation. It's a 72-kilometer PNR project that has been approved by the National Economic and Development Authority, which is NEDA. Its construction is set to begin in January 2019 and end in the second quarter of 2022, respectively. Other JICA-funded road and bridges projects are the design study of the 9.9 billion pesos road network development project in conflict-affected areas in Mindanao that is still in progress according to DPWH. The Plaridel Bypass Project is a new arterial project that transfers the municipalities in the province of Bulacan. The opening of the bypass road gives more convenient and easy way of movement for goods and service from Metro Manila to the eastern part of Bulacan and Nueva Ecija. One more JICA-funded project is the Davao City Bypass Construction Project, DCBCP, which is a 11.9 billion pesos 5-year project that seeks to construct 4-lane roads and tunnel in Davao City to ease traffic, mitigate congestion, and improve the transport logistics in the metro. Loans from Japan International Cooperation Agency are also being sought for the funding of the following projects: the 10.5 billion peso Circumferential Road 3 Missing Link Project, the 735 billion New Manila International Airport Project, which is expected to finish by December 2025, and the 22 billion pesos Third Mandu-Mactan Bridge Project in Cebu, which is the moment is under construction and is expected to finish by August 2021. Summary: the financing and technical support of Japan contributed to the construction and implementation of these numerous infrastructure projects under the Build program. The infrastructure demand is rising as Philippines reinstate old infrastructure and build new ones. These infrastructure projects funded by Japan are of great benefit, especially when done. This could boost more economic growth even after being regarded as one of the Tiger Club economies in Southeast Asia in the past years. The citizen will experience improved transportation, may it be in railways, roads, or even in airports under this project. This 2020, the Philippine government is looking into more of the infra project because of the faster pacing of loan agreement, which means that the implementation of this project will become more rapid. Thus, more financing and technical support from the government of Japan can be relied on. It is presumed that after the Duterte's administration, this project improve in terms of construction, implementation, and maintenance. There are still remaining 2 years for the current administration to progress, more for us to know whether or not the plans for the program are achieved and successful.